Why won't the pilot light on my Trane furnace stay lit?
Hello, DIY troubleshooters. Today, we're going to dig into a common furnace problem, the pilot light that just won't stay lit on your Trane furnace. Understanding why this happens and knowing how to fix it could save you a costly technician visit.
What is a pilot light and why is it important?
The pilot light is a small gas flame that stays lit continuously. It's used to ignite the main burner of your gas furnace. If your pilot light goes out or doesn't stay lit, your furnace won't function properly and your home will be left without heat.
Possible reasons why your pilot light won't stay lit.
There are several possible reasons why your pilot light won't stay lit. 1. Dirty or clogged pilot orifice. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate in the pilot orifice, causing it to clog up. This can prevent the gas from reaching the pilot, causing the pilot light to go out. 2. Faulty thermocouple. The thermocouple is a safety device that senses when the pilot light is lit. If it's faulty or not correctly positioned, it may incorrectly sense that the pilot light is out and shut off the gas supply, causing the pilot to go out. 3. Improper gas pressure. If the gas pressure is too low, there might not be enough gas reaching the pilot light to keep it lit.
How to fix the problem?
Please note, always ensure to turn off the gas and power to your furnace before attempting any repairs. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, call a professional. 1. Clean the pilot orifice. Remove and clean the pilot orifice using a thin wire or needle. Be gentle to avoid damaging it. 2. Check the thermocouple. Make sure the thermocouple is properly positioned and in good condition. If it's damaged, you may need to replace it. 3. Check the gas pressure. If the gas pressure is too low, you might need to have a professional adjust it. In conclusion, if your pilot light won't stay lit on your Trane furnace, the likely culprits are a clogged pilot orifice, a faulty thermocouple, or improper gas pressure. Cleaning the pilot orifice, checking the thermocouple, and ensuring proper gas pressure can help resolve the issue. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing these repairs yourself, it's always a good idea to call a professional. Hope this helps you understand your furnace better and solve your pilot light issue.